Hey guys, Marlon from In-Person Computers, and today we have a custom build for you guys, so let's go ahead and jump into it. Alrighty guys, so this is a Threadripper build. It's got the 3960 24-core 48-thread processor. It does have the Gigabyte Motherboard TRX40. This is the AORUS Pro with Wi-Fi. Now the machine is equipped with 32 gigs of RAM of Corsair at 3200 megahertz. And for the cooler, we went ahead and put in the Noctua 140mm, which is pretty big, to cool it down. But in addition to that, we have added a second fan, which is going to help pull the air that is heating up on the processor out from the case. This fan right here is pushing out, which is helping as well on the airflow. And this particular build we've assembled it with a 2TB NVMe from Intel. It's got a lot of speed in there, and you have 2 more slots if you want to upgrade in the long run. Now for the video card, we went ahead and put in the RTX 2080 Super along with the GT 710. This particular build is designed for running multiple 4K monitors, and as you guys know, video cards have a maximum resolution, so the GT 710 will handle the other monitors. Now in terms of performance, this is going to be for quantum physics, which needs a lot of core processing, not for gaming, and the customer needs an actual DVD tray, which we have assembled on it. Now the case, it's a Fantex bit tower. It's got a beautiful crystal panel on the side, and it's completely black. So if you guys are interested in this particular build, we will leave a link down below, and if you guys have any questions, don't forget to email us. Thank you.